Hey there, everybody. Well, this is sad. This is a sad video. We have come to the last unit of the course, Chapter 9. And I know it's been a weird semester, and maybe we shouldn't be so sad to leave it behind, but still, it is sad to leave this material behind. In this video, I just want to give a brief overview of this last unit, a brief overview of Chapter 9. So the goal of this video is just to put Chapter 9 within the greater narrative of the course. And just to answer this question, what is the point of Chapter 9? Like, why are we doing this? So, what's the point of Chapter 9? Perhaps a good starting point to answer that question is to ask the broadest question, what is the point of this course? Like, why does Math 202 exist? If you think back to the very first day of class, or you look at the syllabus, which I know all of you do very religiously, you will see that the goal of the course, but the broadest goal is this. We want to learn how to solve differential equations. However, this is not a theory course. We're not just learning how to solve differential equations for their own sake, although that would be fun and interesting, if you ask me. But we are learning how to solve DEs so that we can apply them in 3 different contexts: physics, epidemiology, and ecology. That's what the syllabus says. That's what I said on the first day, and what I have said many days subsequently. That's what we're doing in this course. So let's walk through these 3 contexts and talk about where we did them. Physics. I think you can agree we discussed that pretty heavily, right? Chapters 3 and 6 focused quite a bit on spring mass systems and circuits, which were 2 sides of the same coin. So there's a check mark here, right? We've done this. Epidemiology, or if you like, the study of public health or disease spread. We did a little bit of that in Chapter 2. You guys did 2 homework problems on that in the equilibrium analysis section. But really, we hit that hard with the SIR model unit, which we just finished. So there's another check. Okay, so we're 2 for 2. Now, ecology, we did a tiny bit in Chapter 2 with some homework questions about harvesting, renewable harvesting, sustainable harvesting, things like this. Those are pretty fun, I thought. But really, we haven't done any ecology of any significance. So where are we going to do the ecology? The answer is right now. So the point of Chapter 9 is to fill in this last sort of gap that we haven't covered yet. So Chapter 9 will show you 2 classical ecological models, a model of 2 competing species, and a predator-prey model. Those are 2 different scenarios you can use systems of differential equations to model. So those occur in sections 9.4 and 9.5. Sections 9.1 and 9.3 set up some of the vocabulary and some of the mathematical technology we need in order to build and understand these models. So this is a very short unit. It's just 4 sections. And that's what it's about. That's why we're covering this chapter. So in the next video, we'll cover section 9.1, which starts to set up basically some language surrounding some nonlinear systems, language that we'll need to sort of meaningfully discuss these 2 models we care about at the end of Chapter 9.